I've been working on this project for a while. A weather station using the Raspberry Pi Pico W and a dozen sensors to measure the environment. Solar and battery powered, this is based on some kit sensors from SparkFun, but the electronics and the software is all my own work. So let me tell you all about it. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, Pico 2, Robotics, IoT and other fun tech. Remember to subscribe and join my community. This is my 3-minute summary for this weather station intro video. If you have time, why not check out the full video? This project started out using a SparkFun weather meter kit of sensors for rain metering, anemometer and weather vane, to which I'm then adding temperature and humidity via an AHT10, and I powered the whole lot by battery and solar. The project will be mounted externally and communicate over Wi-Fi, submitting data using web services. The basic kit is from SparkFun and is easy to assemble. The rain sensor is a self-emptying device that triggers a read switch every few millimeters of rain. I used the PWM counter to count rainfall while the Pico is awake and in deep sleep. The cup and anemometer also uses a read switch to trigger on each rotation, giving wind speed. I've chosen again to use the PWM counter for detection, but the stats are also calculated while the Pico is awake rather than sleep mode, of course. The weather vane is a little bit more complicated. It again uses reed switches, but this time it's connecting in resistors to give 16 angles of rotation that can be read. The Pico's ADC is used to measure this resistance. The weather station has been sitting in my lab for a while, and I've been working on each of the sensors and breadboarding the controls. The power control side of a battery and solar powered project is also, of course, quite important, and designing the PCB and software. Stay subscribed to follow through on how this project progresses. If you'd like this video and it helps your learning or projects, why not drop me a cash tip using that super thanks button below the video. Remember, I'm saving these up to get myself to open source in San Francisco next year, and I'd appreciate your help in getting me there, and I hope to see you there too. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please do hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Bye bye for now.